and higher plants. Part pollinating agents. Pollinating agents are of two types. A. Abiotic agents. 1. Pollination by wind anemophily. 2. Pollination by water hydrophily. A. 2-type I. Hypohydrophily. E. Epihydrophily. B. Biotic agents. 1. Pollination by insects entomophily. 2. Pollination by birds ornithophily. 3. Pollination by bats chiropterophily. A. Abiotic agents. These are non-living agents, which include wind and water. 1. Pollination by wind anemophily equals. Pollination take place by wind is called wind pollination. Most of the important croplands are wind pollinated. Pollinated. These includes wheat, rice, corn, rye, barley and oats. Palms are also wind. Adaptations in anemophilous flowers. The flowers are small, inconspicuous, colorless, without nectar and fragrance. Odor. The pollen grains are lightweight, dry and produced in large numbers to increase chances to wastage. Stigma is feathery to trap pollens carried by wind. Stamens are exserted with long filaments. And versatile anthers, ivy stamens and stigmas are exposed to air currents. Adaptations in anemophilous flowers. Pollen grains are dry, lightweight. Stigma is feathery. Maize plant. Male inflorescence. Tassel. Flag leaf tassel internode styles silks female inflorescence. Ear. Seed kernel leaf stalk. Stem. Prop roots. 2. Pollination by water. Hydrophily. Pollination take place by water is called pollination. A 2-type I. Hypohydrophily. Pollination occurs below the surface of water. Here the pollen grains have same specific gravity as water, so they can swim in water, e.g. in Zostera sea grass the pollen grains are long, ribbon-like and without exene. Epihydrophily. The pollen grains float on the water surface and reach the stigma of female flower, e.g. Vallisneria is submerged dioecious, in which female flowers reach the water surface temporarily to ensure pollination, and male flowers float on the surface of water. Specific gravity of pollen grain is equal to that water. Why they float on surface of water? Anemophilous plant, e.g. Potamogeton, Halogaris, etc. Entomophilous plant, e.g. Lotus, water hyacinth, water lily, etc. Adaptations in hydrophilous flowers. Flowers are small and inconspicuous. Perianth and the floral parts are invetable. Pollen grains are long and invetable due to presence of mucilage. Nectar and fragrance are lacking in flowers. Male and female plant Vallisneria. Adaptations in hydrophilous flowers. Male and female plant Vallisneria. Flowers small. Pollen grain are long. Water level. Male flower. Female flower. B. Biotic agents. It is pollination by living agents. About 80% of plants require the help of other living, moving creatures such as insects, birds, bats, snails to transfer their pollens from one flower to another. 1. Pollination by insects entomophily. It occurs in rose, jasmine, cestrum, etc. Adaptations in entomophilous flowers. They are large, showy and often brightly colored. The flowers produce sweet odor, smell and have nectar glands. The stigma is rough due to presence of hair or sticky due to mucilaginous secretion. The pollen grains are spiny and surrounded by a yellow sticky substance called pollen kit. Some plants have special adaptations for the insect visitor to help in cross-pollination, e.g. jasmine, rose, salvia, estrum, etc. 2. Pollination by birds ornithophily. Only a few types of birds are specialized for pollination, e.g. sunbirds and hummingbirds. Pollination by birds ornithophily. E.g. bombyx, clistemint bottlebrush beauty, bignonia etc. Adaptations in ornithophilous flowers. D. Flowers are usually brightly colored, large. They secrete profuse, dilute nectar. Pollen grains are sticky and spiny. Flowers are generally without fragrance, as birds have poor sense of smell. 3. Pollination by bats chiropterophily. Bats can transport pollens over long distance, sometimes several kilometers. Adaptations in chiropterophilous flowers. Flowers are dull-colored with strong fragrance. Flowers are large and strong. Flowers open at night time. Flower produce abundant nectar. Flowers produce large amount of edible pollen grains. E.g. Anthocephalus kadam tree, Adansonia, baobab tree, Kigelia, sausage tree. Thank youby. Shiv Educate.